Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle Helps. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can transform your Windows 8 PC into a Mac. This is just a Mac theme. Obviously you're not changing anything, it's just going to make your computer look like a Mac. It's a really nice theme and it's really easy to install. All you need to do is download the installer from the description. You need to download some start buttons, and there'll be another thing you need to download if you haven't got your start button. Now, if you're wondering how to get a start button on Windows 8, I've got a separate tutorial on that. Just go and watch that and then come back to this. Okay, so now you're ready to install it. So what you need to do is double click on the installer. You'll get a little pop-up. Just hit yes. And the installation should start. It'll say unpacking data. And the skinpack will load up. Once it's open, you should see something like this. Just click next. I accept, next. Come down to advanced and you can untick all three of these. Press next, and now you want to scroll down, make sure all of these are ticked and press install. This will start to install the skinpack. Once this is installed, you're going to have to restart your computer, so after this is installed I'll just come back once it's all done. Okay, so if we restarted my computer, this is what it should look like once you've done that. If this thing pops up, all you need to do is press this little button, but already, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You've got your own little cursor. The cursor is a little bit small, but when you hover over things, you can see how it's animated. It's pretty cool in my opinion. But yeah, if this pops up, just press this little button here. That'll get rid of that. Also, if your finder bar comes up and it's over some things like that and it looks a bit messed up, just right click on your taskbar and press exit. That'll get rid of the finder bar. Now if you want to keep your finder bar, all you need to do is exit out of all these programs, shut down everything that you've got open, completely close everything and unpin every one of these from your taskbar. And what you need to do is come to start and then type in finder bar and then click on that, and that should open it up. Okay, so once you've done that, the next step is to sort the start button out. As you can see, it's a bit messed up. As I said, I've got a separate tutorial on how to do this, but if you don't know how to do it already, all you need to do is go onto Google and type in start is back, download that. Once you've got it downloaded, then you need to right click on the start button. Right click on the start button, go to properties. Then the start is back configuration should pop up. You need to come down to appearance and press add. Then you need to locate your start button. Our start buttons are here. I've included the download link for these in the description. Just right click on the file and press extract here. And you get two folders. Start buttons for start 8. That is not what we're using. We're using start is back, so we can get rid of that one. And start buttons for start is back, so we can come over to start is back configuration, press add, and we can go to the desktop and find the folder, and then you can choose any one of these. I'm just going to choose the Apple Orb, click on it, press apply, and OK. As you can see down here, we've got a bunch of applications that come with the theme. This is a really nice feature to the theme. It actually makes it look like a Mac. If you want to add things into this little dock down here, all you need to do is find what you want to add to it, drag it, and just drop it into the dock. As you can see there, it's added it. If you want to get rid of it, just click it, drag it out, let go, and as you can see, it puffs away. It's a really nice feature to the theme. Another thing is, if you come into your Explorer and your folders don't look like this, if they're just the default folder look, what you need to do is come to your start menu, type in refresh icon cache. Sorry, not cache, just refresh icon. Click on that. A user account control setting should pop up. Just press yes. Now this will completely disable everything. You'll get rid of your desktop background, your Explorer, the lot. All you need to do is come down to libraries. This should open this up. Press show in Explorer. Come down to computer, double click on local disk, come into Windows and press E on your keyboard, press it a couple times until you find the Explorer file, double click on that, and that will reopen everything. Now if you come back into your library folder and your folders are still set to default, just restart your computer and they should be fixed. It should look like this. But yeah guys, as you can see, you've got your own custom back and forward buttons. It actually looks completely like a Mac. It's just that the close, minimize and maximize buttons are all over here on the right hand side. Usually they're set to the left hand side, but obviously if you're a Windows user, you're used to them being on the right hand side, and I prefer them on the right anyway. There is a way to switch them over. Just search up a tutorial on YouTube. I'm not too sure how to do it myself. I'll try and get a tutorial up on that for you. Now if you want to uninstall the theme, it's really easy. All you need to do is come up to the start menu, come over to control panel. As you can see here, you've got your custom icons as well. Go to uninstall a program and search for Mountain Lion Skinpack 4.0. Just click on that and press uninstall, and then all you need to do is click on every one of these boxes, scroll all the way down, click on all of the boxes, and then just press uninstall. I'm not going to uninstall it because I want to keep the theme. Also, if your icons don't get changed back to default, just do what I said earlier. After you've uninstalled the theme, come to the start menu, type in refresh icon, click on that, press yes. It'll close everything again. Just come down to your libraries and show an Explorer, come down to computer, local disk, Windows, and then go to Explorer, open that up, and then you should have your icons back, your default icons. But yeah guys, that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you liked the theme, and I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.